Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. And if you're not, thank you so much for coming by and for all the comments you all leave me. And please remember to click the thumbs up button. It really does help me build my channel up. And today I have the box from Fashionsta. If y'all don't know about this box is, I think it is 24. I was grandfathered in because I got on the waiting list the first month, and I've been getting the box since their second month. Anyway, it comes, you do get a card, and then it comes like this. And like I said, I was grandfathered in, and they did go up in price a little bit. Let me see if it says on here. Let's see, it says my box retail value is $141.50. But I don't see anything that tells. Let's see. It says, we welcome you to Borderless Beauty. This month we are celebrating and exploring the beauty of our planet as one global beauty community. Included in this box we have 7 incredible made with love products from Uganda, Utopia, Germany, France, Australia, India, and Italy. We are uniting as one for a loving September to remember. Are you ready? Let's explore our beautiful globe together. That's interesting. So, the first thing I pulled out is Ultra Color 4-in-1 Gloss Mascara. Long lasting, no flake, no smudge. 4-in-1 lengthening, volumizing, curling, and waterproof. And that's what that looks like. Let's see. Where is it at? Here it is. That retails for $22. A multitasking mascara that perfectly separates, lifts, and enhances lashes from root to tip with a high gloss finish, with a special wand that grips even the shortest lashes with an advanced lash lifting formula. Cruelty free, PETA certified. And again, that retails for $22. And then I have, let's see, this is, what is this? Terre de Mars is a nourishing shampoo. Yeah, it retails for $22. Regenerates, moisturizes, repairs. This organic, nutrient-rich shampoo from France is formulated with coffee extract, rosemary leaves, aloe vera, and almond protein, leaving your hair soft and silky. It cleans, refreshes, and allows hair to regain its radiance and suppleness. Great for all hair types, vegan and cruelty-free. And that's a big, let's see, that is 5.74 ounces. Pretty good size. And then I've got, let's see what the next thing is here. This is a clay cleanser. Is this it? Yeah. This says Nourish Mantra Moroccan Lava Clay Cleanser, retails for $18. Made in India. an exotic clay blend with skin refining ingredients whipped into a buttery soft base. This cleanser is part indulgent and part fun. Absorbs excess oils, removes pollution, particles, deep-seated impurities, and dead skin cells. Giving you clean, fresh, flawless skin. And there's the packaging. Let's see what it looks like in here. So there is that. And it's probably got a safety seal. It is, okay, it just smells like a clay mask, but I can smell, I can smell kind of grassy, like a nature. So it says pure clays with activated charcoal for deep cleaning. I'm going to try that soon. And then I got this 54 Thrones Vanilla Honey Beauty Butter, retails for $24. Fusing the depth of West Africa with the allure of East Africa, this majestic blend of Ugandan shea butter sets the foundation for a luxuriously creamy and silky smooth African body butter. Can be used on your face or body. Handcrafted, paraben and sulfate free, cruelty free, GMO free, and toxin free. So even says that says African at the bottom. That's interesting. So there is the packaging on that. So let's see here. I don't know if that is really hard. It's like, yeah, that's not coming out. I'm gonna have to, I'll message him and see. It's so hard to, I can't even push on the top here. It's like rock solid. I can't know if you can tell, but I mean, it is, maybe if I put it in warm water it might melt it, but it is, yeah, there's no pushing it out. Look, it is rock solid. It's not doing nothing. So there's that. I'm gonna put it in hot water and see if it can melt it enough to get it out. And then I got, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Let's see here. Some Milk makeup products. Let's see. I don't see them on here. Let's see, that's, oh no, they're not Milk makeup. They're, I thought, because they look like Milk makeup. No, they're not Milk makeup. They're Wee makeup. A highly pigmented and long-lasting lip pencil and lipstick for effortless makeup. Looks from Italy, enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E. I don't know what all these other words are. Silica for endless, comfortable wearing. Vegan and cruelty free. Let's see, did it say a price for these? $27.50 for the set. So the pretty packaging. I don't really think that is my color. I don't know. It's going to be, I mean, it is fall, so I might be able to pull that off with being a fall color. Let's see if it says a color. don't see a color there. Well, can't see what that color says. And then the lip pencil that goes with it. Let's see. There's it. Yeah, I was going to say that don't really match. Where did it go? Here it is. Yeah, those aren't, I really like this color, but yeah, they don't match, so they're not actually a set then, because yeah, those do not go together. This is in the color Even. I really like the color of that lip pencil, not so much the lipstick. And then I got this Zoeva Offline eyeshadow palette, retails for $28. A precious and beautiful selection of 10 highly pigmented matte and shimmer eyeshadow shades. This fascinating palette from Germany offers a serene getaway experience. From sandy beige tones and tropical turquoise to spirited reds of exotic flowers. Again, this retails for $28. There's the packaging. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at those pretty colors. I'll have to do a look with that one day soon. Let's see. Oh, look at, that's pretty. Let's see what a couple of the colors. Yeah, look how pretty those are. Let's try the purple. Okay, I'm going to find a place on my arm that I have not swatched yet. Oops. Let's see, there's that's pretty. Look at that. And there's the reddish. And I think that was the purple. Yeah, that was the turquoise. That turquoise is really pretty. I like it. So, again, that is that. I will do a look with this soon. So, which, like I said, I was grandfathered in, so for I think it's $19.95, I got the palette, which more than pays for the box already. Even on sale, usually those palettes are about that amount. And this, I will have to work with that to make it work. And then the lipstick and lip liner. The lava clay mask. I'm eager to try this. And then this shampoo. Can't ever have too much shampoo, I don't guess. So got that. And then the mascara. Oh, I didn't put that back on there. So, and like I said, this box, the retail value of the box ended up being $141.50. So that is my Fashionsta box, and I thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. And I hope you, which I don't know, I was going to say have a good night, but this might not be finished until morning. So have a good night, have a good day, whatever it is when this is finally up. I love you guys, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.